Hello creators, and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. In today's video, which is a part of my Spring Refresh series, I'm going to show you how I decorated my living room. This is a look from my Winter Refresh. I used the color black that I incorporated into my living room, my dining room, as well as my bedroom. Well, this time for spring, we're doing something a little different. I took up my gray rug and I decided I wanted to go with something lighter for the spring. And this is what I purchased from overstock.com. It's giving me all of the spring vibes that I wanted. It has the starbursts, which are in gray. I love the light color. This rug is silver with gray accents. Here's a look at how I refreshed my living room. I'm using white as my accent, not for the entire spring, but just to kick off my spring refresh in my living room. I'm so excited of all the different colors that I will be bringing to you for this refresh in my living room. Now, I'm not quite finished with the dining room, so yes, there'll be some more tablescapes to come. I'm just mixing it up just a little bit. I love the setting and the simplicity of my coffee table. For this video, I decided to add in a spring tree. This white tree with pastel butterflies that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. These butterfly clips are gorgeous. They look so high end. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to purchase them at the Dollar Tree, so I had to order them online. Maybe by the time this video airs, they will have them at your local store. And the butterfly picks that are in there, they came out of the craft section. I painted them and just added a wooden dowel to them. Here's a look at my chandelier that you see so much in my dining room. This is the twin to the one in the dining room. I love these lights. When I sit in my den and I look into both rooms, I just love the way the two lights look. For my pillows, I went back with my white pillows that I used last summer and spring, and my J pillow that I had embroidered a few years back. Here's an overall look at what my living room looks like. It looks so clean and crisp and spring ready. Now, I will be changing my curtains out to all white, but for right now, they're still the very, very light gray. Everything is so simple and springy. On my coffee table, I have these butterfly stands, which came from the Dollar Tree, and my jar is a thrift find that I found actually back in the fall that I added some green florals, and I'm using my books from Z Gallery. I forgot to mention the mirror that's standing behind the tree. It came out of the dining room. So yes, I am doing a total makeover throughout the house. I'm moving things everywhere. And there's another surprise. Yes, I took down my favorite mirror and I added this glittered picture that has been kind of hiding in my family room. We couldn't see it. You could not see the beauty of it. So I moved the mirror and it's just sitting in a corner. And I thought, just for the spring, let's see what it looks like over the fireplace. And I also moved my entryway table. I moved it to the other corner, added white florals, and yes, I took down the other mirror that was in the dining room and put it behind this table as well. And you know what? I love the look. This was a very inexpensive spring refresh. The only thing that was purchased besides the rug were the butterflies that I added onto the tree, and they came from the dollar store. I moved my chair that sat in the corner to my right, and I just moved it to the left over by the curio cabinet, and I added my fur table, and I'm using my silver serving set. I even redecorated my curio cabinet with white and silver pieces. Everything was all in my home. I truly shopped my home. I didn't even have to do a DIY. The only thing that is not in my living room that normally stays is my white tree that everyone knows I love so much, but I moved it to my office. So pretty soon you'll see how I styled it in my office. I can't wait to bring in a few Easter decorations. I'm trying to show spring videos as well as Easter videos. So yes, the Easter eggs and the Easter bunnies will be coming. Continue to watch. I hope you have enjoyed so far. I would like to thank you so much for all of your support, all of your well wishes to me. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you like these type videos, why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button. I cannot leave out my faithful subscribers. I am about to embark on my 6-month anniversary here on YouTube, and I must say thank you, because I would not be here without you, without all of the encouragement, all of the support. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Continue to watch. Much love. Be safe. Be blessed. And I'll see you soon.